can't I? Oh my God, I can't get it open. Why can't I get this thing open? Is it, dang. I mean, how pretty is this? Love that. Okay, let's see if I can read a little better. So this treats acne. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, we have a new subscription right here. It is called the Empress Mini subscription. You are going to want to see what this is because sometimes good things come in small packages. And then we have the July Bella Skin box. This is a, how much is it? This is a $35 a month subscription. So if you're interested to see what I got this month and what this little box is, and is it worth it, then keep on watching. All right, I have my paper here because I wrote some things down. It is like after 11 o'clock at night when I'm filming this. So, this is called the Empress Mini box. This is a UK, well, it's from London. Now, you can see I already opened it up because this was sent to me free for review, but back in April, they got a hold of me. And you know the whole thing with COVID and stuff with the mail? And so when I went to my post office box, I'm like, what the heck is this? I mean, it was so pretty wrapped up, and I like opened it up, and then I'm like, oh, now I remember. So let me tell you a little bit about this. This is a lingerie, let me try that again. See, I'm already getting nervous. This is a lingerie subscription. So they have a couple different sizes that you can get. You could get this, which is, what is it called? The Queen box, and this is $44.95 a month. Or you can get the big boy, which is, I don't remember what that's called, but that's $100 a month, $99.99. So let me just show you, like I said, it really did come very nicely packaged, and I opened it up because I'm like, what is this? So this is the Honey Bunny outfit, and this says stay calm and keep hopping. So I'm going to show you what it looks like, and I did try it on so I could tell you what I really do think of it. All right, so the first thing is this thing, and I'm like, what in the world is this? But wait till I show you. Let me show you. So this is a little, if you can see, you see that? And you can like make the ears any way you want, but it's like a little bunny thing. I mean, how pretty is this? Love that. And then you have two pieces that come with this. So you have the bra here. I don't know if I can see out of it here, if I can keep this whole thing on. Okay, so this is what the bra looks like. So let me give you a little closer look. That is where your little nipple goes. And it's like see-through. It's very, very pretty. Really, really pretty. And what I like about this is this goes like this, so you have it that goes up like this, and then you have the bra strap. It's very, very, really sexy when you have it on. And then what I really like about this is adjustable right here, which I like. Let me take this off because you guys are probably like, come on, Ann. Because I am 5'3" and 3/4. I lie and tell everybody I'm 5'4", but I'm really 5'3" and 3/4. So like I am short, so a lot of things like fall off. So I like the fact that this is adjustable. Now I got this in the size, the top is an extra large because, you know, I'm a little thickums, I'm not gonna lie. And so I always get scared like the cup size is going to be too small, you know, but it fits really, really good. Now it doesn't, because I am bigger chested, it doesn't give you like a lift, you know what I mean, but it looks really, really good. I mean, it's really pretty. And then these are the panties that match. So in the front you have the same design and the rest is just see-through. This is in a medium I got. Really, really pretty when you have it on. And it does come with the little protection thing here. But I think it's adorable. Now, the $100 one, when I looked it up, because I kept thinking this would look great if it had like a see-through robe or like a black robe or something. And that's exactly what the other one comes with. So you would get this and then you would get the robe. And it's a subscription box. So, you know, every month you can get something new. And I think it's great, you know. And like I said, this is just so cute. And I like the fact because you can adjust the ears how you want them. But I definitely do. And it's definitely very well made. Like, you don't have to worry about this ripping, you know, like cheaper made ones are. So, I'm sure my husband would like that. All right, but I just wanted to show you that really quick. I didn't want to make like a dedicated video, like a separate video for that. All right, so let's move on to the Bella Skin box. So this is $35 a month. I do have a discount code, JustAnn, that saves you $5 off. So you can get this bad boy for $30. Again, I don't make anything out of this. It's just for you guys. This is the July box. I haven't even like opened it. It's still taped and everything. So I really don't even know what's going to be in here that I can remember. And that's what she looks like. And this is an all skincare box. Like, you will not get no makeup, but you always get over between $100 and $150 worth of value, and you get a tool in here as well every month. So I do like that. All right, so you get a card. So it says the July box is $123. Now everybody gets the same thing, so it's not like a mystery box how some subscriptions are. So if you do like this box, this is what you would get. All right, and you get 1, 2, 3, you get 4 things this month. So let's just pull out the first thing I see. So this is from Dirty Lamb. This is a coffee scrub, and I love coffee scrubs. In my IPSY, was it IPSY? No, my Fashion Stuff. What box was this? I get so many I can't remember. I think it was the Fashion Stuff box. I got this coffee bean eye cream, and I really like it, and it's really good like if you have puffy eyes and stuff. But this is a coffee scrub, so let's just see what it is. But my point is, I like anything coffee for skincare. And let's see, so this is $29. It says the scent of peppermint and coffee will wake you up and make you feel energized throughout the day. It says this is 100% Arabica. I don't know if I'm saying it. Coffee will stimulate your lymphatic system, which is the key to combating cellulite. I gotta put my glasses on here. A lot of people ask me about these. These are actually reading glasses. I got these on Amazon, and they are so cute. I think they were like $15. If I remember, I will link it down below. But I like them. So they also have the ones that are like the real big square ones. Okay, let's see if I can read a little better. So this treats acne, eczema, cellulite, dry skin, oily skin, scars, inflammation, stretch marks, poison ivy, and mosquito bites. Yes, ma'am. All right, and let me see if it has a safety seal. Yeah, so I don't want to open it yet because I have so much skincare. I don't want this to dry up and go to waste, but I'm really excited to get that. Okay, so the next thing says from Soon. What is this? Soon Skincare. This is a pomegranate hydrogel collagen eye patches for $48. Ooh, so it is what you would put under here. I love anything for the eye, especially since I'm aging, you know? All right, so that's what she looks like. Why can't I? Oh my God, I can't get it open. Why can't I get this thing open? Is it taped? Oh my God. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So you get this little tweezers. You would open it up, and then right there are like the little eye patches. So you would use the tweezers to get the eye patches out. So it's nice and sanitary, which I like. I'm definitely going to use that. Well, I'm not going to say tonight because it's after 11 o'clock already. I'll probably just get in the shower, take my makeup off, and like, you know, do my skincare really quickly. All right, so $48. This right here pays for the box. All right, 2 more things. This is from Tropical Naturals. This is a guava and watermelon seed oil cleanser. You guys know I love anything watermelon. And how much is this puppy? This is $30. Holy crap. It's an oil cleanser. So this is good to help you take your makeup off, you know? Ooh, and And the bottle is like a deep blue. So pretty. Oh, I love it. Well, it's sealed, so I don't want to take it out because I already have another one open that's something like this. How much was that puppy again? $30. Wow. Okay. And last but not least is this detox massage brush. Ooh. So this is $16. This says remove impurities from your skin and get the ideal exfoliation for your body. It's just like an exfoliating brush. Let me open up this puppy because I'll definitely use this when I get in the shower. I really like this box, and this is a fairly new company. So you would hold it like this and you would just, you know, and it has bristles and these things. Ooh, I am so, this would probably feel really good on your back, like if you had somebody to do that for you. I really love this box. All right, so let's recap really quickly what you get. So you get this exfoliating thing. So this is the tool we have this month. We have these eye patches right here, which I'm really excited for that. We have this coffee scrub, yes, and this watermelon seed oil cleanser. I loved everything. I definitely think this box is worth $30. I really, really do. It's $35. Like I said, if you use my code, you can get it for $30. It's even worth $35, in my opinion. I really look forward to this box every month. And I just really do. But I love skincare. I know a lot of people rather get makeup boxes. But let me know what you think. Do you like skincare boxes? Let me know down below. And if you do, is this something that you would like? Are you interested in it? Let me know all the tea down below. Do you think it's worth the $30? Let me know. And that's everything, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then please give this video a like. It really helps me out. It only takes a second to hit that like button. It helps YouTube get me in the algorithm and push my videos out a little more. If you enjoy unboxings, I don't just do skincare boxes. I do makeup boxes. I do mystery boxes. I do some hauls sometimes reviews. So if you enjoy that type of stuff, please consider subscribing to our channel. I would love for you to join our family. And don't forget to turn that post notification bell on and make sure that you double tap it and that it's on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos. I do have a big giveaway coming up. It'll be a couple winners. So if you are interested in that, then make sure you have that notification bell on. And let me know what you think of this lingerie box. I know it's expensive, especially for like now with the COVID and a lot of people aren't working. I know that. But if money wasn't an issue, what do you think of this subscription? Do you think it's worth it? Are you into lingerie? Are you not? Let me know all the tea down below. And that's everything, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.